Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the diffraction grating. In Young double slit experiment, we use the double slit will create a pattern of bright and dark fringes due to the interference. In the diffraction pattern, a diffraction has a many slit in series. Generally, we have hundred and thousand of slits per millimeter. So here we write a diffraction grating has many slit in series. Generally, we have hundred or even thousands of slit per millimeter. When we observe the light that is passes through these slit, a pattern of light is formed. These are the order of the diffraction pattern. Here we draw the diffraction pattern. Here when we observe the light when passes through a slit form a pattern of the point of the light. These are the order of the diffraction pattern that is formed by the diffraction grating. This diffraction pattern has many bright points of the light. We call these bright point of the light is the order of the diffraction pattern. In the center we have the zero order of the diffraction pattern going up. So we have the first order, second order, and third order up to so on. And the opposite side of this zero order, we also get first order, second order, third order up to so on. And the reason for the bright spot is the light coming from the slit is meeting in phase at this point. If we looking at these two rays, they are meet at the single point with the phase difference is 0, so they make the constructive interference. Assalamu alaikum. Now we discuss the diffraction grating is the made up of the glass or plastic plate. Diffraction grating is basically made up of glass or plastic which have the length is 2 to 3 centimeter and the thickness is 2 to 3 millimeter. It consists of equally spaced parallel slit. It consists of equally spaced parallel slit. If we discuss about it, principle of diffraction grating is based on the diffraction, and second one is interference of light waves. In the diffraction grating, we can measure the wavelength of the light by the diffraction of light and interference of the light. When the light wave is passing through the grating that is constant of the many slit, it first diffract and then interfere with each other at point P. So here we take the grating that is constants of the number of slit. Then parallel light is passed through this slit. It diffract through an angle theta with the normal, and here we use the lens that converts the light at point P. So these diffracted rays are focused on the screen at point P by using the lens. If the path difference between the two rays, if we take here the two rays, first rays and second rays, and the path difference between two rays is equal to the lambda, then when these two rays are interfere at the point P, they make the bright fringe. So for condition for constructive interference, here we write condition for constructive interference path difference between consecutive slit is equal to lambda. Now we find the first order fringe that is made on the screen. For this we take the triangle. This point we name the A, and this is B, and this point is C. So here we get the triangle ABC. So if the angle between these two rays with the normal is theta, if it is equal to theta, then here is the angle is also equal to theta. So here for the right for first order we take here the triangle that we make separate here, that is the constants of slit distance AB, and here we take the point C. So here the distance between the two slit is we take the D, so it is equal to D. Between distance AC it is equal to A. Here the angle is equal to theta. So if we use here the trigonometry formula, that is the sin theta we know that is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Here the perpendicular is equal to lambda and hypotenuse is equal to D. So here we can find lambda is equal to D sin theta. So here we can find the path difference of the adjacent slit. This is the path difference of the first two slit, and adjacent slit we can find the, here we can find this is the 2 lambda and this is the 3 lambda and up to so on. So we can write that D sin theta is equal to n lambda. In this formula we can find the path difference between the any two slits. But in the diffraction grating we do not know the value of the D. How we find the D? We know that the diffraction grating that constants of the number of the lines. If we let's suppose that this number of the lines is the 5000 lines per centimeter. If the 1 centimeter is equal to 5000 lines per centimeter, so we can find here the distance of the between the two slits, that is D. D is equal to 1 line over 5000 lines per centimeter. In general formula we can write that D is equal to 1/n. So if we know the number of the lines in the grating, so we can find the D in this formula. Hope you understand the topic of diffraction grating. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.